Good morning, children. Here's teacher Amina with new English lesson. Hi, I hope you are all fine. Okay, now children, today we are going to learn new things in English lesson. Are you all ready? Okay, now everybody look here at the screen. Here you can see a new letter for you. Wow! Do you know what is the name of this letter? The name of this letter is H. And do you know what is the sound of this letter? The sound of this letter is H. Everybody say with me. H. Very good. Again. H. Well done. Okay, now children, let's see the pictures start with the sound of letter H. Now here are the pictures you can see start with the sound of letter H. Now look at this letter. Which letter is this? H. And the sound of letter H is Okay, now let's read the words start with the sound of letter H. Now look at this picture. This is home. Home. Look at this picture. This is home. Okay, now look at this picture. This is horse. Very good. Now look at this picture. This is hat. Look at this picture. This is hippopotamus. Hippopotamus. Very good. Now look at this picture. This is helicopter. Helicopter. Now look at this picture. This is hair. Hair. Okay. Now look at this picture. This is hand. Hand. Look at this picture. This is helmet. Helmet. Now look at this picture. This is heart. Heart. Now the last picture, look at this and tell me what is this? This is hen. Hen. Very good. Now children, my lesson is finished. What you will do, you will see the pictures in your home, see the things in your home, start with sound. Fine? Thank you so much. Bye bye.